I'm actually work for a chemical company. My job is to sell product. So I spend a lot of time driving, meeting with customer, and also in front of the computer. I've been seeing many doctors because my eyesight is getting worse. At the beginning of this year, my night driving is getting very challenging. It's kind of getting blurry. You just don't feel comfortable, especially when there's a car coming towards you and you feel that the light is shining on you. Sometimes it gets a little bit painful on my eye too. I feel very dangerous with this kind of situation, so I decided to see Dr. Zhang. Dr. Zhang is a very, very nice ophthalmologist, very caring, and the first time when I met him, he was kind of saying that it's bad, to the point that there's no other option, so the only option is to go for surgery. About 2 weeks after my surgery on the left eye, Dr. Zhang just called me on a Saturday evening and said that, hey, trifocal lens is available right now because he has just been approved by the FDA. And the advantage of this trifocal lens is that you have a much better vision regardless whether it's near or intermediate or far vision. I think the whole process went pretty well. After the surgery, I want to say that my quality of life improved significantly, either at home, reading books, or watching TV. And as a matter of fact, my eyesight on my left side, my eyesight is like 20/25, my right side is 20/20. The driving at night is especially much better improved, and I can see all the road sign clearly, and there's no uncomfortable feeling at all. Without having a glasses, I think the feeling is so good. I just very grateful, especially to Dr. Zhang, that the procedure went well, and also his recommendation is just fantastic. I don't think I can ask for more.